Have you ever looked down at your favorite suede shoes and suddenly noticed a dark stain, muddy patch, or one of those strange shiny spots that seem to appear from nowhere? That happened to me with a pair of light brown suede shoes I had barely worn. They looked perfect when I left the house, but by the time I got home, one shoe had a muddy mark near the front, and the other had a small water stain on the side. My first thought was to grab a wet cloth and scrub them. Thankfully, I stopped myself, because when it comes to suede, water and aggressive scrubbing can easily turn a small stain into a much bigger problem. So, what is the best way to clean suede shoes without damaging them? Let's go through the process step by step. Before you begin, check the care label inside your shoes. Some suede shoes have special finishes or cleaning instructions. Also, always test any cleaning method on a small, hidden area first. The first and most important rule is this: never clean suede while it is wet. If your shoes are muddy or damp, leave them to dry naturally. Do not place them near a heater, use a hairdryer, or leave them in strong sunlight. Too much heat can make the suede stiff, faded, or misshapen. Stuff the shoes with plain white paper or a clean cloth to help them keep their shape. Avoid using newspaper because the ink may transfer onto the inside of the shoes. Once the shoes are completely dry, it is time to brush them. A proper suede brush works best, but a clean, soft toothbrush can also help if you do not have one. Brush the suede gently in one direction. This removes loose dirt, dried mud, dust, and small particles trapped inside the soft surface. Do not press too hard. Suede has a raised, velvety surface called the nap. Heavy scrubbing can flatten or damage it. For dried mud, brush away as much as possible before using any other cleaning product. You may be surprised by how much dirt comes off with brushing alone. Now let's talk about scuff marks and shiny areas. For light marks, use a suede eraser. You can also try a clean, plain white pencil eraser. Rub the mark gently using small movements. Do not attack the stain like you are trying to erase permanent marker from a wall. Start softly, check the area, and repeat only when needed. After using the eraser, brush the suede again to lift the nap. For oily or greasy stains, the cleaning process is slightly different. Do not add water. Instead, cover the stain with a small amount of cornstarch or plain talcum powder. The powder helps absorb the oil. Leave it on the stain for several hours, or preferably overnight. The next day, gently brush the powder away. If the stain is still visible, repeat the process. Older grease stains can be difficult to remove completely, so professional cleaning may be the safest option for expensive shoes. Now, what about water stains? This may sound strange, but sometimes the best way to fix an uneven watermark is to lightly dampen the entire affected section. Use a clean cloth or soft brush with a very small amount of water. The suede should be lightly damp, not soaked. Gently treat the area around the stain so the moisture is spread evenly. Then blot away extra moisture with a dry cloth. Stuff the shoes with white paper and allow them to dry naturally. Once dry, brush the suede to restore its texture. For stubborn stains, some people use white vinegar or rubbing alcohol because they evaporate faster than water. Place a tiny amount on a clean white cloth. Never pour it directly onto the shoe. Gently dab the stained area. Do not rub aggressively. The suede may temporarily look darker, but it should lighten as it dries. Once it is completely dry, brush the area again. If you are dealing with chewing gum, wax, or something sticky, place the shoe in a plastic bag and put it in the freezer for a short time. Once the substance becomes hard, carefully lift or scrape it away using a blunt object. Be gentle so you do not tear the suede. Salt marks, especially during winter, can often be treated with a small amount of diluted white vinegar. Dab the mark lightly, allow it to dry, and then brush the surface. After your shoes are clean and fully dry, finish by brushing the entire shoe in the same direction. This helps the color and texture look more even. You can also apply a suede protector spray to reduce future damage from moisture and dirt. Use it outdoors or in a well-ventilated space. Follow the product instructions and test it on a hidden area first. And remember, a protector spray makes suede more resistant to stains. It does not make suede completely waterproof. The biggest cleaning mistakes are soaking the shoes, using regular soap, scrubbing too hard, applying direct heat, and wearing the shoes before they are completely dry. Suede may look delicate, but cleaning it does not have to be complicated. Let the shoes dry, brush away loose dirt, treat each stain with the correct method, and work slowly. That pair of shoes I mentioned earlier, after drying, brushing, and carefully treating the watermark, they were not absolutely perfect, but they looked so much better that nobody else would have noticed the difference. And that is usually the goal with suede. Not harsh cleaning, just patient, gentle care that brings the soft texture back to life.